Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over a really quick and simple recipe that I eat. I'm not going to lie, I eat this every day. It's basically going to be a rice and bean bowl. I consider this a clear skiing recipe because, for one, if you guys don't know, I don't eat any dairy, no soy, no oil, or high-fat foods. So this is a perfect recipe if you guys are looking for something to eat. Or if you're not even on my type of diet, but you're still looking for something vegan, this is a good option as well. It's tasty, it fills you up, and I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. I tend to make it with chicken or shrimp or fish, but I don't have that right now, so we're just gonna go ahead and make one without that and just kind of make it like a little vegan dish. It's really simple. If you have your rice already cooked, it takes 10 minutes or less, but if you don't, obviously you have to cook your rice, but shortly we'll be going over what we need and hope you guys enjoy. What you're gonna need is cilantro, 1 tomato, a can of pinto beans. I usually use black beans, but I don't have any today, so I'm gonna settle for this. And these are way quicker to prepare. All you have to do is pop them in the microwave and you're good to go. And a rice cooker. Now I already have my rice made, but depending on your rice cooker, mine usually takes like 27 minutes to cook my rice. The rice doesn't really matter. You can use white, jasmine, brown. Doesn't really matter. I use white because I think it tastes better. But yeah, that's pretty much all you need. All right, now first you're gonna want to get your rice from my rice cooker. I already have mine. Let me show you guys how much to put. So about that much rice pretty much covers your whole plate. Then you're gonna get your beans. You want to drain them. All right, so now we're just gonna pour it on there. Like I said, just eyeball it however much you think you can take or how much you can handle. This is how much I eat every day. I would say that's about right. Now with these beans, you are going to get more sodium than you probably would like. That's why I kind of recommend using black beans because the sodium is really low. But for the sake of this video, I'm using pinto because, you know, it's the only thing I have right now. And now after this, we're pretty much halfway done. Now we just need to cut up the cilantro, the tomato, and 1 lemon. You want to cut it up in about little pieces. Like I said, we're using the whole tomatoes. I think people have a different way of cutting them for themselves, but this is the way I cut it. Just cut them up in slices and little bits and pieces. I'm not going to put them on the plate yet because I'm going to heat up that first, and then I'm going to put this and the cilantro on there. I usually go to Walmart for my groceries, and this is the only cilantro they had. They ran out of actual handfuls of it, the ones that you put in like your own bag, so I had to settle for this. I think a simpler way of doing this is just cutting it off like this, doing that, and that gives you the amount you need. This is about the amount you need for that. No measuring, you know, just kind of like giving it the eyeball test. This amount of cilantro, you guys can see. Alright, so after this, you just want to get your plate, put in the tomatoes, and then kind of sprinkle on the, not sprinkle, just Put the cilantro on top. Then after you're done, you kind of just want to mix it around a little bit, get it all even. Lastly, you're going to want to get 1 lemon, a full lemon. We're going to use all of it. Cut it in half. Then just squeeze all of it on here. It gives it a nice citrus lemony flavor. Alright, last step is salt on everything. Gives it a good taste. Because usually when I cook my rice, it's really bland. And that's basically it. I didn't count the macros because I don't count my food and I don't really care to anyway because I hardly eat anything that's fatty. But that's basically it. This is a good lunch idea or a dinner idea because it's so heavy and a lot of nutrition in this. But yeah, thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the food. See ya.